Good day to the Kringle community all over the world. And whatever your time zone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developers within the Kringle community. We thank God for what God is doing within our community. We bless God for His vision and His zeal in the heart and in the life of our able admin. We thank God for how things are going, and we thank God for all leaders. That many people they are just stepping into positions even without being called upon. This is a great thing. This is a great development within the community. We bless God for that. Guys, good things, wonderful things, amazing things are happening right within the community. So if you are listening to me right now, do not dilly-dally any longer. Stop procrastinating. Come on board. Get active and be a participant in what is going on now. I'll be talking today especially on the Lifeforce Assurance. Guys, this is an opportunity that has come to us, especially to Tibetians. Many people out there in the world have not heard of what is life, or what life is all about. So it's an opportunity for us to be in the forefront. Especially, I'm addressing the Nigerian community presently, the Nigerian Tibetians. We have the numbers. We can move. We have the zeal. I know us. We are passionate about things what we want to do. Guys, the orientation class has begun. So don't relent. Get on board. The criteria is simple. Get active. Get active within the community and be ready to learn. Be ready to get trained. Training is ongoing. You are enjoying the training. We are enjoying the orientation. It is wonderful. So guys, it's a call to everyone. Let's get on board. Let's get on board. Let's get on board. Lifeforce Assurance has come also to boost and to help our Kringle community. So don't forget, bring in as many members as possible. Let's go out. Let's prospect. Give them your referral link. Them sign up. Introduce the Lifeforce Assurance to them. Then come on board and let them show them how to earn more bounties. Yes, how to earn more bounties. Bounties is one of the things that excite us within the community. When you look at your back of and you have bounty, wow! Thank God, as my ambassador will say, just go forth and cash out. So guys, let's get on board. Don't relent. Do not think it's business as usual. No, we are not doing things like the elite. No, we are serious and we are passionate about what we are doing. So guys, come on board. The orientation for the Lifeforce Assurance has begun. So join us. Come on board. And don't forget, it is not good to miss the mass adoption training. It has always been a wonderful training. There has never been two trainings since we started. No one has ever been like the other. Always wonderful, always unique. If you are not coming, you are missing. You are losing a lot. So guys, sacrifice the time, the data, and come on board. Yeah, come on board. Don't forget, if you are not active, get active. 1 year subscription is what is trending now. 1 year subscription, and thank God for our able admin with a great reward of 1,000 TBC attached to it. Get on board. Once you pay, you are rest assured for the next 12 calendar months. And if it is monthly you can pay, go ahead, pay your monthly subscription and get active. It is well. I look forward to see you. Join us. Come on board. Subscribe to this channel. Share it. Love you all. Thank you. Bye for now.